What's up, guys? So in today's video, what we're gonna be doing is installing my LED fog lights. Now I got a little spice to it, you know what I mean? Just a little spice on it. Basically what I'm doing is changing my fog lights from this color to RGB LED. So basically I'm gonna have the ability to switch the color on my phone. It's basically all the colors. On the website it said that it's 16 million colors, but stay tuned. So I know most of you guys are gonna be asking, why am I jacking up the car to change a bulb? But I find it easier to work with if the wheel is off and I'm able to see exactly what I'm doing. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do, take the wheel off. Let's get it. Boom! Here's a new box. Let's open it. Ooh wee! Okay. Okay, I got a little wire harness. I guess that's to get both of them plugged up together. Then we got the headlights right here. All right, so as y'all can see, got a little drastic than I thought. I had to take the bumper off and take the headlight out just to get this job done. Reason being, I wasn't able to see inside the headlight, so let's get everything open. Y'all already know, little pin comes up just like this. Alright, so this actually took a lot longer than I thought I would, and it was a lot more work that went into it. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. But, oh, I got them working. Oh, I got the babies working. With hard work and determination, you can get anything done. So I'm gonna show you guys what I did. So first, I had to download the app. The app right here literally does anything you want. Let me slow the speed down so you guys can see it. So literally, any color I choose, it goes to it. Shit is hot. Only thing is that the white is not true white until you turn the headlight on. Let me show you guys. All right, so if you guys can see now, it's actually true white. And that only happens when you turn the fog light on. If the fog light is not turned on, then you're just gonna get, it's like a pinkish color. This is the color right here. It's not like real white. It's like a pinkish color. But you actually get true white LED when you turn the bulb on. All right, so the way I was able to get my fog light to be powered on with my parking lights, as you guys could see, I had to first, there's two LEDs in here. So the top one is the white LED, which is the fog light. The bottom one is the RGB, as you guys can see right here. You get a positive and a negative wire coming off of this wire right here. What you have to do is rewire the cables. So basically what I did, I wired the fog light, the main power off this to the LED strip right here. And then the other part is wired into my fog light. So when I turn the fog light on, the actual fog light comes on. But if I keep the LED strips on, then the RGB comes on. All right, so I don't know what they were thinking, but there's no way for me to fit, so I try to fit everything in there. So this comes with like a little ballast thing. I'll show you guys on the other headlight, but this shit comes with a little ballast thing along with the fan and also the connector. So I tucked everything in there. The only thing that can't fit in there is this. The reason why is because it's angled. Now I'm trying to find a way to get everything straight to where I could just tuck everything straight down, but I can't. And that's stopping this from closing. That's literally the only thing stopping this from closing. With it not being able to close, water is gonna get into the headlight. So now I gotta figure out a way to try to find to close it or leave it open. And to be so honest with y'all, I don't wanna leave it open, because now that's gonna let water come into my headlight. So I'm gonna see what I can do. I'm gonna try to figure something out. If I do, I'm gonna show y'all. If I don't, then I'm gonna let y'all know your only option. All right, so here's my little jerry rig job. Obviously that little cap wasn't working, so I took it off and threw it out. What I had to use was this right here. This is some real good Gorilla tape. I'm gonna link this below. I swear to God, you cannot go wrong with this. I live by this thing. It's so sticky and amazing. That's what kept my last headlight going. So I put some of this on there just to make sure it worked. But really and truly, you guys, these guys, they really got to figure something better out, because that right there, that just pissed me off, man. All right guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, You already know what to do. Go downstairs, hit that like button. Don't forget to comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at DiversDJ, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.